Maybe we can take this thing called love and push it. I'm in the kitchen whipping.
I got new lashes.
It's like a 20.
You and me got something.
This Ankylosaurus is gonna step on every small building.
Ooh.
And I made up my mind. I'm ready for the real thing.
Good morning. It's Valentine's Day here. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, Jackie.
Just open the present.
You can open your Valentine's Day bags when Daddy gets up. This is what Mommy and Daddy got the kids a little Valentine's gifts because we love them so much. What? Where did what go? What?
This cow.
You want cow? There it is. There's one of Jackie's toys. His little cow they got for his birthday. As you can see, we have it cleaned up from birthday presents.
Go.
You guys watching the Shaytards?
No.
Yes. So that's what's going on. Did I show the card? My husband, I didn't think we were getting each other something for Valentine's Day, but he got me perfume and a new wallet, and I woke up to this cute little, this big card that he gave me. How cute. Uh-oh, Jackie wants to see. Okay, pull the bench out.
What's
You want to see? What's that? What is it? Oh, you want to try to eat the candy? You can't eat the candy. That's my candy. Jackie, no.
What does it say?
I don't know. We can ask Daddy when he gets up. I think it's
Love.
I love you.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Right. Yellow.
Yeah.
No, don't take it off.
I love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. What are you doing? How did you get this open? What are you doing? You can't have cake for breakfast.
Cookie.
No, it's not a cookie. It's a cake. Move back up.
Who likes it?
It's not a cake. It's not a breakfast for you right now. Yes, I don't know. Later. Are you gonna throw tantrums all the time now because you're two?
No.
I'll get you some yogurt, okay? Yogurt?
Yeah.
All right. Nick is opening his Happy Valentine's Day present from Mom and Daddy. What's that?
Candy.
Tootsie Rolls. And it's a bank, so you could put your money in there after you take all the Tootsie Rolls out. Is that enough chocolate for you? Hey, look at me. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's
I love you.
Day.
Okay, good. Can I have a kiss? I can always get kisses when I give him chocolate. It's bribery at its finest. Right now, Dominic is asleep. Kennedy's getting dressed, so since I'm a loser wife and didn't get him anything for Valentine's Day, I figure I can at least cook him breakfast and let him sleep in. So that's what's happening. Jackie, do you want to open yours? Jackie, look. What's in there, baby? What are we watching? Cows again. Do you want to open yours?
Want to open yours?
You want to help him? Yes, I'm ratchet. I use napkins as tissue paper so that they wouldn't peek in. You got some chocolate. Jackie. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. Cookie and chocolate. Okay. It's about to go down. We're about to be wired. Nick and I are about to have a sword fight of epic proportions. You're about to go down. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We already broke the swords. So look, they don't have handles, but it's okay. because you can still fight with a sword without a handle. Kennedy's gonna be the camera woman.
Ready, get set, go.
Playing the drums. That sounds good, buddy. You're crazy. You're crazy boy. Oh. You should teach him this. Oh man, he played I don't know.
One.
He played knick-knack on my bum.
Ew.
Jax, everything you do, you must be like a big brother or sister.
He's trying to get
So
taller.
you're trying to stand on the bus. Uh-oh. What are you doing? That's my phone.
Here.
What do you think you're doing?
That's my phone.
No, it's not. You don't have a
She's
phone.
lying. This is my phone.
Who's going to call you? You're 7.
It's my phone.
Who's going to call you?
Nobody.
Right.
And I'm just gonna ignore the call.
Jax, do you have a phone? Take your passy out. What? You have a bus.
That's what you have.
Well, besides a bus, do you have a phone?
Look at the moon. Do you have a passy? Look.
Huh.
It's a spinning ball.
Oh, wow. That's the Earth.
I'm going into Antarctica.
Oh, yeah? Is it cold there?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Oh.
Oh. Jackson, why do you have a pacifier right now?
Oh, she is.
What?
That is.
We don't understand you when you have your passy in.
Bus.
Yeah, bus? Yeah. So you gotta take it out when you talk.
And he just blew a spit bubble.
Jax, how old are you?
Okay.
What?
Bus.
You're 2.
this. Bus.
What about the bus?
A bus. We're going into the ocean.
Oh man, hope you can swim. Huh?
Bus. Fish.
You wanna go to school tomorrow and see Ben? Where's Ben? Where's Ben? At school?
Bus.
Oh no. Do you have a bus at school?
Bus.
Where's your cow and horse?
Horse.
Where's your horse? It's not down here. So I was gonna wear my hair curly today. But then it dried and it looked like this. So I guess I'm gonna put it up. I just wanted to share for all my curly girls that can relate. Sometimes it's just unpredictable. Meh. Look. There's nobody in the back seat.
You hear that, guys?
What's that?
Oh God, I can hear myself.
I can think.
I can hear my heartbeat.
We're going on a date.
I don't know what that's gonna look like though.
We don't really know what we're doing, where we're going. I'm just
A
tired.
nap would be a great date.
I know, but we can't. We're not gonna do it today. We're gonna go somewhere. I don't know where. I'm tired. Do I look tired or I feel like I
You look
sound
great,
tired?
baby. You sound tired. But you look great.
I
You fell asleep on me last night.
I did. I fell asleep because I was tired.
I fell asleep on the couch downstairs too.
I felt like when you came to get me.
It's like 4:30.
Yeah, I'm like, I woke up before that and like the light was on and the like TNT was still on. And I'm like, he ain't come to get me yet. So I didn't know what time it was. Our DirecTV box doesn't show you the time. So when you finally did come, you're like, babe, it's time, come on, come to bed. I'm like, it's no way it's like 12. Like it feels like the middle of the night.
Right. Middle of the night. It's almost.
I mean,
morning.
yeah, it was
I looked at my clock. I was asleep on the couch downstairs in the basement. I don't know how. What was I watching? I was watching Furious 7. And making my wife a beautiful card, by the way.
Yes, you
I'm
are,
so
baby.
thoughtful. God,
I
I'm just
showed them.
a great guy, by the way. But anyway,
You're so humble.
yeah, you know, you like that? But dozed off, of course. And my neck was hurting so bad on that couch. I got up like, oh, I just felt like I was somewhere I shouldn't have been. Because it was just so uncomfortable.
The couch is really small for you to lay on downstairs.
It's not that. It's just that because I was sitting up when I was watching the TV and my neck was on the back of it was just so uncomfortable. So I looked at, I'm thinking it's like 2 o'clock, right? At that point. It says 4:30. I'm like,
It's time to get up
I
almost.
didn't sleep this long out here.
You might as well have stayed.
Yeah. And then I was for
gets
sure
cold
when
down
I got
there.
up there, like, I thought you was in the bed, but you would have, of course, came and been like, "Well, you ain't waking
I
me
would've
up,"
come
or you
and
would have told
harassed
me to come to bed or something. So,
Yeah.
you were snoozing away.
And then you came and
Well,
got
every
me.
time when you sleep and I tap you in the middle of the night, you act like somebody breaking in.
Because, what do you mean? I don't...
Why's your nerves so bad?
This is the thing. When Dominic's asleep and you tap him, he doesn't get up because he's in such a deep sleep. I'm not really in that deep of a sleep. I'm sleep enough that where I'm shocked that you're touching me. But I don't slowly wake up. Like, I'll tap Dominic and I have to punch him 4 to 5 times. And then he'll get up. So he kind of gently, arises. Arouse.
This is going in a different direction. What kind of
Gently arouses.
what kind of waking up are you doing here? Let's be clear to the viewers.
Anyway, yeah, I'm surprised I didn't come to bed, but I think I was just so tired.
You had to be.
I was cold too because I just had that little blue blanket. I just couldn't do it. I was just like,
yeah, I was for sure you was in the bed.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? It was toasty upstairs. Now it's cold in the basement.
Yeah.
Ooh wee! I'm talking about. I had that little cover down there.
It's not gonna do. We need to get a new blanket for
Yeah, we
downstairs.
do.
Like
We
a
need
big,
like
a thick one that we can put in the ottoman. We have an ottoman that's empty. We could put something inside of it.
Get a chair down there.
If we get a big, thick blanket, we can fit down there. Maybe we can get
we
one
need to
in
get
March.
another ottoman.
Yeah. Why does it sound like that? Well,
So Winter Wonderland.
I'll just show you what's happening. Show you what's happening right now.
What time it is?
This is happening outside our house right now. We went on our date. We went to Bravo. Even better, we used a gift card. And we had brunch, so it was pretty cheap. So we gave the waitress a good tip with our card. But
I'm a good tipper.
Dominic is a good tipper. But anyway, so we thought we thought we'd come home and take a nap, which for the record, our house is like 25 minutes from my dad's house. He lives more in the city, and which is where the kids are. We thought we'd take a nap, and then I would look outside at some point, not like literally like an hour after we got home, and it is like a blizzard outside. And apparently we did not watch the news because I didn't even know this was coming. So our journey now on Valentine's Day is to retrieve our children.
Oh man.
Oh man, not again.
Went to sleep in Cincinnati, woke up in Antarctica.
Where's the blanket?
Oh, too
Oh
late.
my God. Dominic goes, make sure you bring a blanket. And I'm like, what? He's like, what if we get stuck on the side of the road, which I never would have thought of. So I got a bunch of water and I packed a bunch of almonds and stuff in case we get stuck, and you forgot the blanket.
We had to hold each other.
No. It's not gonna work.
We're in the snow turning back now. Onward and upward. That sounds like some city troops. We gotta go from here. Snow. This car doesn't reverse. Bro.
Stay the course.
Not in this. Yeah, stay the course.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. They gotta stay at night. Tell them say keep.
No, you know, honestly, my dad even mentioned it. He was like, worst come to worst, they'll just stay the night. But the problem is, I mean, we have stuff to do tomorrow. We have work.
What?
Work!
You work from home tomorrow.
But still, I have work that needs to be done, and you have to go to work. We're not gonna have time in the morning to go get them.
Oh. I thought he meant like stay the night, like the day.
I'm sure he has to go to work.
Oh.
Oh, this is bad. You can't even see like that sign up there.
Yeah, man.
But the problem is, it's like 5 now. I just really don't see us being in a better situation at 6 or 7, according to the weather. It's going to continue to snow.
They should go after it's done.
When?
Like 9.
I'll have to double check, but I was pretty sure they...
10 or so. Can't be wise to be off in the middle of it, but what do I know? I just do as I'm told.
So as you can see, I'm home and I don't have kids. So we made it about what normally would have taken us a minute or two, it took us about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it was just clear we're not getting anywhere. We saw the highway and there was no visibility, like blowing snow everywhere, and it's just snowing too hard and it's not safe enough for us to drive. So I feel horrible because it's Valentine's Day. I think my dad and stepmom went out last night, but still I didn't plan on the kids being there all day. And so now they're going to be there for at least a few hours. We're going to see if maybe the roads improve in a couple hours with more time for the snowplows to go out. But for now, the kids are just at my dad's. And I feel horrible too because anyway, I forgot to leave a diaper bag. So I took stuff like drinks and stuff, and I forgot a diaper bag with diapers and wipes. So my poor dad has to go out and get them dinner because it's about dinner time now, and also diapers because I'm stupid and forgot them. So of course he doesn't care and he's like, it's no big deal, but as a mom I feel horrible. So we're gonna try to hang out. I don't know, I may do some meal prep since I should take advantage of being snowed in, and then we'll try again in a couple hours.
So guys, can you figure out that she wanted to do a workout that was special? So let's go see what she's doing. Look, she's doing a workout for no reason, I don't know. Cause she's pretty much gonna hit her with the sword now. Where's that sword? I'm gonna sneak up on her and get the sword. Yeah, here's the sword. Here's the sword. Get her right. Yeah! Stop! I'm trying to exercise. Yo.